So welcome to day one of how to assemble your travel journal kit. This is kind of like the 12 days of Christmas. So we're going to go through it and I'm going to give you all of the tips and tricks that have taken me years to learn on assembling a travel journal kit that's going to be lightweight, it's going to be small, it's going to be cost effective, and it's going to answer all of your questions. So we're going to start really simple. Go to that junk drawer in your kitchen. We all have one, and take out a couple of HB pencils. You can travel with 2B and 3H and all kinds of pencils, but in the end, my guess is that you're going to probably end up going with just a straight HB pencil. You could do lots of the shading that you want. You get lots of great outline. If you're doing watercolor, you can use it to do the little sketches ahead of time, the little outline drawings that you want. So really, they're cheap. You can find them everywhere. A couple of HB pencils, take them with you and you'll never regret having a couple of HB pencils. So cost effective, and then stick them into a Ziploc bag. Really, this is what I use for my travel journal kit, and that's really how big it ends up being. So watch it grow and watch for day two. So post you assembling your own travel journal kit. Show me what you're putting together out of that junk drawer in the kitchen and other places, and we're going to get you going on a really great travel journal kit. So watch for day two.